Welcome back. In this tutorial, I will guide you how to put numbers 1 to 100 in Word with a super fast method. So if you use Word frequently, you can use this one-click method. For this, you need to press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA Editor. Then go to the Insert, click on the module and paste this VBA code. So I'll mention this VBA code in the description so you can copy it and paste in the VBA editor. Now it's the time to see the magic. Press F5 to run it and close it. And here you can see that Word will instantly type the numbers 1 to 100 for you. So I hope you understand how to put numbers 1 to 100 in Word with a super fast method. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.